To get started with Betterment email alerts, first log into your Betterment account and navigate to the Settings section. Here you will find the option to manage your email preferences. Click on this option to view a list of available email alerts that you can customize to suit your needs. Betterment offers a range of email alerts including low balance alerts, large deposit or withdrawal alerts, and portfolio rebalancing alerts. To set up an email alert, simply click on the alert you are interested in and enter your preferred threshold or trigger amount. For example, if you want to receive an email alert when your account balance falls below a certain amount, enter this amount in the low balance alert field. You can also customize the frequency of your email alerts, choosing to receive them daily, weekly, or monthly. In addition to customizing your email alerts, you can also set up notifications for specific investment goals, such as retirement or a down payment on a house. This will allow you to receive email updates when your goal is on or off track, helping you stay on top of your investments. To ensure you receive your email alerts in a timely manner, make sure to verify your email address and keep it up to date in your Betterment account settings. It is also a good idea to add the Betterment email address to your safe sender list to prevent alerts from being flagged as spam. By following these steps and customizing your email alerts, you can stay informed and in control of your investments with Betterment. Regular email updates will help you stay on track with your financial goals and make informed decisions about your investments.